Let's begin with the room tour. The first door on our right hand side that unfortunately can't be locked is the bathroom door. The bathroom features a bathroom sink and a shower. The towels and the shampoo are already there. There's also a clean toilet. You can find a wardrobe and 2 single beds in the main room, but one bed is smaller than the other. This room has also got an air conditioner because you wouldn't survive a night without it. There are TVs in both rooms. The second room has got a mini bar and a basket of fruit. You can find a big wardrobe in the second room as well as a bed. Both rooms have got balconies, but the balcony of the main room is bigger than the balcony of the second room. On the main balcony, you can find 2 chairs and a table. The drinks of the minibar are included, except for the Heineken beer, the red wine and Red Bull. But there are so much things to do outside, so you won't be spending much time in your room anyway. I hope that helped you with this little room tour of the Steigenberger Aqua Magic Resort in Hurghada. See you.